Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you all how I made this healthy, delicious carrot jollof rice. Yes, you heard me right, carrot jollof rice. This video was actually inspired by my fellow YouTuber Fantastic Favor. So after watching her video, I decided to make this meal for myself and my family. But at the same time, I said, why not film it so your subscribers can also know that they can use their carrots to make healthy jollof rice. So here I am with the video. If you want to see how I achieved this meal, do not go away, keep on watching. So guys, these are the things I will be needing for my carrots jollof rice. I will be using 1 red pepper, onion, just 3 carrots. You know, I always make a little just for me and my family, the 3 of us. Some rice, my extra virgin olive oil, stock cube, salt, black pepper, my curry. So these are basically all I'll be using. So now let's go and blend the carrots, the red pepper and the onion, and I'll be parboiling the rice also. Here is my chicken wings. I'm about to parboil it. My food is never complete without chicken wings. So guys, here's my carrot paste after blending it. I won't be draining it. I will just stir fry it with my blended pepper and onion. So I'm parboiling the rice for about 10 minutes. Blending my pepper and onion. Now put a pot on your stove. Add in your extra virgin olive oil, or you can use any oil of your choice. It doesn't have to be extra virgin olive oil. Allow the oil to heat up. Well, I couldn't resist using some shrimps because I am a shrimp lover too, so I stir fried my shrimps a bit. Well, this is optional. You can use meat or fish if you want to. It is your choice. I added some diced garlic. Now I'm going to be adding my blended pepper and onion. Allow to stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you can add in the blended carrots. Stir together and allow to stir fry for another 7 to 10 minutes. Now add in your ingredients. I'm adding salt, stock cube, a bit of black pepper, curry. Stir together and cover to cook for another 10 minutes before adding the parboiled rice. Now you can add in the parboiled rice. As you can see, the sauce is nicely steamed.
But they in the building, hey, is that easy?
So I'll be adding in some chicken stock to cook it finally. I am just going to leave it to cook for another 10 minutes. It is almost ready. I just decided to garnish it with some mixed vegetables. It is optional too. You can choose to do it or not. So guys, carrot rice is ready. You see how beautiful the rice color is, and it was really delicious. Even hubby said so. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for staying with me, and please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye.